So I got asked the question of why do I keep doing the raw days? Why do I keep doing these fully raw days like once a week or whenever I do them, trying to hit this goal of 50 in the year. And how did I get started? So the main reason I'm doing it is because it makes me feel so freaking good. And I have an ultimate aim at some point to be fully raw. I don't know how long it's gonna take. Like I've not got like a time frame in mind, but I have a goal in mind to be fully raw or move in that direction. And I do it because I feel good. I feel like every time I do a fully raw day, I'm more energetic, I'm more creative, I'm more loose. My workouts feel just all around better. My energy's better. I feel like I'm in a flow state. I feel like I can get into flow state a lot easier. I feel like I can give more. I feel like my rest is a lot easier and my healing is a lot quicker. So there's so many amazing benefits of why I keep doing this. Um, but part of me always looks at this as almost like a blessing and a curse because on one end you feel so good, but on the other end, um, whenever I come off it, it brings me down a step because I feel like this is like the pinnacle. At least for me, this is the pinnacle of how amazing you can feel as a human being on this planet. And then everything else is kind of like just a step below. Not saying that they're bad whenever you eat all these denser plant foods, starches, etc. I'm not saying those are bad, but you definitely feel the energetic drop. And it's almost kind of like a level of existence where you just realize that if you stay there for the rest of your life, you'll know that you're not feeling the best that you could. So it's like taking the red pill. I compare it to Neo taking the red pill and saying, look, Neo, if you take this red pill for the rest of your life, you will know the true nature of how good you could feel. And there's no going back. And even if you do go back, it's just like quiet desperation and being like, you're not living to the fullest potential. And again, I don't want people to look at this and be like, oh my God, it's orthorexic. It's not, because if you live a lifestyle and you improve it and you feel physiologically better, well being all round, and then you stop doing that and you don't feel as good, it's not, or it wouldn't be weird to long for that lifestyle. It's not like this is like something like you're not like doing crack cocaine or something like that or heroin shots. It's not a drug, but it feels just as good as any drug that ever taken in my life. And the added benefit of that is that it's sustainable. It's a high that is sustainable. Woo! So that's why I keep doing it. And who got me into it? Well, I've always known about a raw food lifestyle. Well, from Arnold era, he was the big dog at the beginning. But doing 1 day per week and really committing to that, that was kiwi banana. Oh no, kiwi banana, kiwi Bigfoot. Um, yeah, so he got me into it, and it's good to see the community of people who are doing it.